Hello, my name is Paul Tilley. I am from moojelly.com. That is the website address. Head there and get some free tips, tricks, sign up to the newsletter and all that jazz. There's a link below, sign up and you will get access to a free course and training. So I try and release videos as much as I can about making money online, tips, tricks, all that type of stuff. So I had this email come through and I just thought it was a really clever little marketing strategy. So this very quick video and I'm just going to share what these guys are doing. So this is obviously being filmed around the Christmas period. If you're watching this, say, next summer, then think about festivals and things that are coming up around that time that you could maybe use this type of strategy for. So the email that I got through was, "Hi Paul, we're giving away Christmas hampers to digital professionals this festive season," and that got my attention straight away. I was like, "Wait, a free Christmas hamper? That's pretty cool. What's involved in that?" And it goes on about how we'll do free, we'll look at your website and strategies and stuff like that. Click on the link. I clicked on the link because I was dead curious, and this is what came up, and I thought it was really, really clever and good. So basically, you got here. Merry Christmas, we're a digital UX company. Have you been naughty or nice? I like that. That's like really fun, sort of very informal, very cool. It's not like highly corporate or anything like that. And say, to get your presents, fill in this form. I love this, let's be naughty, and then email address, phone number, all that type of stuff, so they can follow you up. And then when's best to reach you. And they're basically going to contact me and try and sell me something. Of course, that's the whole point. But then what's inside the Christmas hamper? You get your free diagnostic check, free gift, naughty or nice, and a chat to one of their professionals. Now, what I like about this, imagine this in a different context. Let's say this is over the summer, and you are reaching out to other digital professionals, digital developers, for example. You might still say, let's have a look at one of your products and we can pull it apart. We can do a consultancy, and I'm also going to send you a free, whatever it is. That's a great idea. Maybe it's a different niche. Maybe it's someone who's involved in marketing a particular course or a product that's not necessarily to do with making money online. Maybe it's something totally different, and you could really sort of look at their product and analyze their product and give them some free advice, send them the free gift, and then they may say, okay, I'll work with you in the future when I upgrade this product, for example. And what you're building there is you're building contacts through something like this. You're also obviously getting their details here, and they get a free present. Free diagnostics, choose your present, and then it tells you all the various companies that they've worked with in the past. I just thought it's a really good strategy. So how could you implement something like this? Maybe leave a comment below about maybe something similar that you've done, maybe a service that you've used to this, how you've built up your email list, maybe some ideas of what you could do in your own niche. Is this something that you would sign up to? I personally don't like getting sort of phone calls from people. I know if I gave my phone number here, I would be inundated with phone calls. That makes me really uncomfortable. But I don't mind giving my email address. So if they didn't require a phone call, then I'd probably sign up to something like this. That to me is a barrier, and I'm not going to do it because of that. I could give a fake number and see if I could still get a free hamper. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. I'm Paul Tilley from moojelly.com. Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and give me the thumbs up. Okay, thank you.